Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today in Voices of the Void we're gonna go fix the oven. To do this, I've got a screwdriver, a wrench, and a hammer. So the first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna get a screwdriver out. Just in case I need a prison shiv against any potential aliens. And we're gonna go over here, where the, front panel is, and we're going to look at how to repair it. So when you've got the right tool out and you click it, it'll bring this open, and you can click open these screws on the front panel and take it off. So now that you've got the front panel off, we're going to pop out. We're going to make sure we got the hammer equipped and go back in here. And now we have to adjust all of these wires, I guess they're wires, on the sides in order to get everything working correctly. And we're just going to reconnect these until we stop hearing a zappy tasing noise, really. We're just going to go one by one and try these until they stop making electrocution sounds, is really the long and short of it. And that's pretty much it. I think this changes from gameplay to gameplay, so, you know, it might be a different configuration when you do this on yours, so just try them and see what happens. We're just going to switch to using a wrench now, and with the wrench equipped, we're going to lock in place all of these blue receivers for the electrical cables, and now our oven is fixed. So that's how you fix the oven in Voices of the Void. It's a weird little mini game, but it's kind of fun. I kind of liked this edition. Now you can bust out the cookbook for the oven and make some fancy dinner meals. So that's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This has been how to fix the oven in Voices of the Void. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye everybody, and have a good one.